Welcome back to the Halftime Report. The traders are answering your questions. First up, Andrew in New Jersey asks, what is your recommendation on Home Depot? JJ.
Andrew, thanks for the question. Well, first of all, in all transparency, I am personally short Home Depot right now. And the reason I am is not because I don't necessarily believe in a longer-term story, but in the shorter term, we're trading up at a level that we haven't traded since October. They've had a nice run recently. They have earnings coming up in a week and a half. And by the way, that could be a risk for people who may not want to do that. And they're expecting about a 3% move on that earnings. But I just feel like they're going to have a tough time meeting what they've built up over the last few weeks.
All right. Next question is from B in Barrington, Illinois. B wants to know about Northrop Grumman. So what do you tell B, Steve?
Here's what I tell B. Number one, I prefer Boeing because it's got defense, it's got aerospace. Northrop's a good company. It's not expensive, particularly in this market, and showing good growth. So there's nothing wrong with owning it. So you can own them both, but as I said, my preference is Boeing.
So you're telling B to buy BA?
I'm telling B to add another initial and buy A. Right. Yes, okay. BA.
Nathan in Chicago asks if he should keep holding Adobe. Josh.
So what I would do if I were long Adobe, and I'm not currently, is hold it. And the reason why I say that is I think this is a company that might not have the most exciting 2019 because it is digesting a ton of acquisitions that it's made. But I think that's started to be priced into the stock. The analyst that came out and cut it today is basically talking about, look, you already had the price increase run, similarly to the way the whole stock market had the tax cut. So you're running off of that. Now you're up against those comps. It might not be the easiest year, but this is a phenomenal company with great products, and they continue to find new levers to pull year in, year out. So I would be patient with it, even if it's not the greatest time to own it. It's not something that I would sell just because of digesting.
All right, this next question is for Shannon, and it is from Drew in Alameda, California. Drew wants to know the trade on Oracle. Shannon.
So I would hold Oracle here. There's good, solid free cash flow. We're expecting the company to continue to buy back stock. Obviously, it's in the news right now because Buffett divested his share. However, if you're looking to play the move from on-premise to the cloud, Microsoft is a better name here than Oracle to do that.
All right. And CNBC has launched a financial education initiative called Invest in You, Ready, Set, Grow. It's all part of a new partnership we have with Acorns, the saving and investing app. One new investor, Jim in St. Petersburg, Florida, asks what ETFs he should buy. Jim here on the desk, what do you think?
Well, so that's a great question and a great setup, Melissa, because financial literacy is more and more important for everyone in America day by day. Look, we're well past the days of pensions being ubiquitous and, you save money under the mattress, all right? We're in the world of 401ks and IRAs and 529 plans. Financial literacy matters for your future. So in that heading, when I look at ETFs, I think this is a great place to start. You can get exposure to the overall stock market in things like SPDRs, SPY, or the triple Qs, which give you exposure to the NASDAQ, and it allows you to experience what moves the market up and down. As you get more comfortable with that, you can look at more specific ETFs, things that might follow an industry. We talk a lot on the show about things like the XLE, right, Melissa? We were talking about that with Pete. Follows energy, or the XLI follows industrials. And you can figure out what moves those individual sectors. The point being is that ETFs are a great way to dip your toe and start getting initiated in how to invest, which is vitally important.
Great advice for all beginning investors, Jim. All right, NBC, Universal, and Comcast Ventures are, we should note, investors in Acorns.